Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to an updated tutorial today to show you how to get free CP in COD-M. You can get 10,000 free COD points using a working COD-M redeem code in 2026. And this is going to save you a bunch of money. I believe 10,000 COD points costs around $100 and I'm going to show you a really simple and fast method to get free CP in Call of Duty Mobile working in 2026. Now, before I show you this method, guys, make sure you do drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm always searching for brand new tutorials and methods on getting free stuff in Call of Duty and other games. So yeah, you can spend your CP and get tons of different packs and stuff. So let's get into the tutorial. What you're going to want to do is use your mobile phone to obtain your Call of Duty Mobile redeem code. I recommend using the mobile that you play the game on. And what you're going to want to do is head on over to www.crashcoupons.com. Make sure you spell it correctly. Crash Coupons. Let's go ahead and type that in. Here we go. So make sure you spell it like this, and it's going to bring you to this awesome game code website. Now, if you play other things, you can have a look as well and see what else they have, because they have hundreds of pages on here. So I'm just going to use the search bar and type in COD-M, and it should pop up Call of Duty. And these codes actually work for other games like Warzone, Modern Warfare and stuff. So absolutely awesome. You can see these are really popular, with over 10,000 people have used these. I've actually done this morning, so I won't be able to get another code because I believe they're limited. But basically what you need to do is find the 10,000 free COD points code and click on get code. And what it's going to do, it's going to look for a valid Call of Duty Mobile redeem code that you can enter into the redemption center. And I'll show you after this process where you have to go to redeem your Call of Duty code. But basically, guys, because these are limited and 10,000 COD points costs around $100, you do need to unlock your personal Call of Duty Mobile redeem code. So to do that, click on this button, and you just got to follow the instructions on this screen here. To get your code from Crash Coupons, you need to complete 2 of the free offers. So you're going to have a list of tasks, and these basically sponsor Crash Coupons. That's how they can supply these Call of Duty Mobile redeem codes. So you just need to complete 2 of the completely free tasks on this screen here. And they're really easy things like mobile apps and games and stuff. You just need to make sure you follow the instructions. As you can see, it tells you how to complete each one. So it's very important you follow what it does say there. So really easy. You just got to basically download, install apps and stuff like that. So complete 2 of those. I'm going to skip forward, but basically your code will be fully revealed here. So your Call of Duty Mobile redeem code for your 10,000 free CP will be revealed, and then you enter it into the COD-M redeem redemption center. Sorry about my typing, guys. Hopefully the predictive pops up. But yeah, once you get your code, you can enter it into this page on the redemption center. So you enter your redeem code in there and with your game user ID. But that is it, guys. So what you're going to want to do is head on over to Crash Coupons and then navigate your way to the COD-M redeem codes page. Select the 10,000 free CP code, get your code, make sure you follow the instructions to unlock it. Hope you enjoy. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.